Hello, Graceful fans. Welcome back to Graceful Cakes. A very Merry Christmas to you all. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a crown using fondants. Thank you all, by the way, for your support so far. It's been a wonderful year with you all around me. So, over to a fondant crown. All you need to do is knead your fondant and roll it out. Then you cut it into a rectangle shape. The length of this crown is about 35 centimeters, and then all you need to do is take out another ruler and just cut out the little triangles to make the edge of the crown, the sharp triangle edges of the crown. When you're done with that, you look for a round shaped container to get that round shape of the crown that you're looking for. If you're using a soft fondant, and make sure you first of all wrap the container with a vegetable paper so the fondant doesn't stick to the container. So now we are done. Just leave it to dry up for a while. At this point, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe, and do wait to turn on the notification bell so you'll be informed every time I upload a new video. You'll get to learn a lot of things on cake baking and decorations on this channel. Isn't this crown beautiful? You can make it of any color, of any size, of any shape, depending on your choice. Thank you for watching. I love you all, but Jesus loves you more. Bye.